G'day everyone, Scott here from One Green Thumb Gardening in Toowoomba. I just wanted to show you the new Ego telescopic hedger. I was super excited about it, and to tell you the truth, I'm a little bit frustrated. It's heavy and cumbersome, and to do hedging, like as you can see by this property, there's lots of hedges. So I would not be able to use that commercial hedger on 50 to 70% of these hedges. So I'd have to switch and change, which I just can't afford to do. So I've sort of half done this hedge, but I just wanted to show you basically how nice and easy this multi-tool is to use. Like you just sort of and so then I've done the top. Now to do the sides, with this guy I can switch my hedge. If you can just have a look at me for a second. So basically that's how I'm holding my hedger, and I'm just using my thumb there now, and I can go and then I can straighten that up. So you can sort of see.
Can you just get this edge? Sorry, I was trying to film it, and because that edge was furry, I couldn't.
But yeah, I can switch and change this guy to whatever I want pretty quickly. So it's pretty quick to do that hedge. Now let's switch to...
Because you're making your constant micro adjustments
Yeah,
there.
because I'm constantly switching and changing, and I have the ability to switch and turn, change, flip this guy upside down.
So you can't switch and turn with that one?
No, you cannot. It is basically... Alrighty, so I'm going to do the same hedge as what I've just done there on this one, using the commercial range. See how good we can do it. Instantly you can't change the head to what you sort of want to do. Oh, and this is where I was talking on, which in another video, I'll try and put the link in, where this guy here is too low. So, like see how far back into the head where you want it to. So if I'm coming back, it's not popping enough.
You can see it dragging through.
All right, now it's like, how do I do this face? Because it goes to there, so I can't hold my hedge trimmer that way. If I'm to go that way, I have to have it way above my head now to do that. And then of course if you go there, then still it's above your head, and then what happens is it's dragging.
Yeah,
back,
you're cutting on the wrong side of the
and
blade.
you're cutting on the wrong side of your blade. And I'm in a really awkward spot, like to hold my finger and my back is bent in a banana shape, trying to hold everything. And so on a hedge that's got an inside curve like this, you can't go like that, because otherwise you'll just have these big gouge marks as you go around. With the other hedge, the multi-tool, I can hold it up like that, but look where my hand is up way. Right. Now let's try and get it done. Get out of the way. There. Like that. Yes. Let's get it done. See if I can. But I can feel.
It doesn't look so bad.
That part there, you can really feel it pushing. Like it's dragging, it's not actually like, instead of just coming across the head, you can feel it dragging. That's hurting.
Yeah.
So I just want to show one more quick hedge. Like of hedges that I do. I also do a lot of hedges that are above my head without seeing what I'm doing. So I've already trimmed this guy, but with the multi-tool, you're actually the button's underneath where my thumb would be. So I can hold it like that and then operate my multi-tool. With this guy, I'm up. It's just in a weird. And you can feel, like right through your delts, you can really feel the weight of that compared to the other multi-tool. So the frustrating part is that when you buy a tool as a commercial gardener, when you're doing this property's 8 hours of hedges at least, and so to have a tool that you can only use on some of the hedges, it's not worth the investment to buy.
Yeah, so if you're thinking about a hedger,
So I just wanted to show you what it does and
go
what.
for
Yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty.
go for the
disappointed.
multi-tool one.
Go for the multi-tool. So
Better
much
value
lighter,
too.
So much easier to use. You can twist and turn like when like even like this hedge here, where when I'm doing it, my hands constantly turning to go up and over. And like when I'm coming down the side of my ball, my hands are. So with this guy, it doesn't seem to slide like with the other one with the metal shaft. Your hand just sort of slides really. With this guy, it's just grippy, and then of course the rubber thing wants to turn, and I don't know. It's a matter of trying to get used to something, but I don't think or feel that I could get used to using this on a daily basis. And I do a lot of hedges in a week. So anyway, I really appreciate your feedback, what your thoughts are. If there's anything that I can improve on the video to explain the situation, yeah, it'd be great to hear from you. Thanks for watching One Green Thumb Gardening and have a wonderful day. See ya.